Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Almond Cream or Frangipane. This is a delicious filling for tarts, pies, pastries. It's absolutely amazing, very simple to do. The first thing that we're going to do is add our room temperature butter with a good dash of pure vanilla extract and our caster sugar and cream that until it is nice and light and fluffy on medium speed. Okay. It's lovely and creamy and soft and white now. We're just going to scrape down the sides and add our eggs one at a time and incorporate them until they're well combined. Once that's mixed in, we add another egg, continue mixing, add another egg and the remaining egg. We'll scrape down the sides again. Now you're not trying to incorporate too much air here. All you're really trying to do is dissolve the caster sugar and make sure all the ingredients are completely and thoroughly combined. Now we're going to add our almond meal all at once. Now you can make your own almond meal if you like from either blanched almonds or whole almonds, whatever you like. But this is going to give it a nice creamy light coloured texture without all the little speckles in it. Okay, once that's well combined, take it out of a mixer now. And fold in our plain flour until it's just combined. And the plain flour will actually stabilise it for when you're cooking things. Absorb a bit of the fat and the butter and the almonds. Just rinse with that now. I will just use a sieve to make sure there's no lumps in my flour. Okay, and just fold that completely through. And there you have it. That's it. That is the base for so many different things. I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing almond cream croissants with this. I'm also going to show you how to make some gorgeous fruit tarts with it in the pie maker and without the pie maker. So this is the basis for what you're going to be using that recipe for. All right, completely mixed in. Good-o. Now you can just put this in a piping bag if you like. You can just put it in the fridge. It'll keep for a few days in the fridge until you can get to use it all. I've made quite a substantial batch here so you can make some quite nice tarts, and I've actually got some pre-prepared croissants that I've bought, and this is going to be an amazing breakfast for mum on Mother's Day or any other special occasion. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's gorgeous, light, creamy, soft Frangipane or almond cream. Now it's got raw eggs in it, so you have to cook it. It's still going to taste amazing. Those almonds are so sweet. Absolutely divine. Alrighty, that's it.